In primetime news this evening, 2 months on the run, suspected child abductor Davian Bryan still eluding the police. Westmoreland goat farmers abducted and killed, cops searching for a motive. And later, BOJ warns of second round of inflation in coming months.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, in what ways can policing be improved as shoppers prepare for Christmas? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.